Google has announced to bring the upgraded paid version of its artificial intelligence note-taking app, the NotebookLM Plus, to individual users who've subscribed to the Google One AI Premium plan. This announcement comes 2 months after this AI research assistant's debut for enterprises on Google Cloud and Google Workspace. Initially launched in 2023, the NotebookLM allows users to use AI to organize notes and research specific topics. Since then, Google has been adding interactive features to NotebookLM, such as a way to dig deeper into YouTube videos and transform research into podcasts with 2 AI hosts. However, the tech giant launched the NotebookLM Plus plan for businesses, schools, organizations, and enterprise customers in December 2024, offering higher usage limits and premium features. The NotebookLM Plus includes upgraded features such as 5 times more usage than the free version of NotebookLM, 500 notebooks, 300 sources per notebook, up to 500 chat queries, and 20 audio generations per day. These features will now be available to individual subscribers with the Google One AI Premium plan, available for $19.99 per month with 2 TB of storage and access to Google Gemini advanced models, along with Gemini and Workspace apps such as Gmails and Docs.